So to fix this problem, first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and scroll down below, tap on the phone settings. Then when you get to your phone settings, tap on SIM card and mobile network. So when you tap on SIM card and mobile network, tap on the network you're using. Then after that, what you have to do next is to scroll a little bit and you are going to find preferred network type. So when you tap on preferred network type, you have to select the option which is 2 gig 3G and 4G auto. Do you get me? 2G, 3G, and 4G auto. So when you select this, what you have to do next is to go to your phone settings again. Then after that, what you have to do is to just scroll and search for app management or app and preference or apps. So when you find your app management, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next is to tap on app settings. So when you tap on app settings, you have to scroll and search for Gangster Vegas. So when you find your Gangster Vegas game app, just tap on it. When you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on notifications and make sure these show notifications are all turned on. So when you turn on the show notifications, what you have to do is to go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Now go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and check the background data whether it's off or on. So when it's off, just turn it on like this. Then you go back, then you tap on mobile data and sorry, we just did it. So lastly, what you have to do is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. So after doing this, what you have to do next is to go to your Google Play Store. Then you have to tap on the update over here. So when you tap on update, you are going to get the latest update of this game, and this is going to get fixed. So what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while, and this is going to pop up. Just wipe it down to restart your device or reboot it, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.